There are a lot of things that we're trying to do. We are doing a lot of them. We're doing them manually, and they are the same repetitive tasks that we've been doing over and over again, right? And we're spending a lot of time getting them done. With the privilege that we get to see behind the scene of a lot of home care agencies, we realize you guys spend about 5+ hours a week on repetitive tasks that can be automated. So what automation does, automation allows you to go ahead and take all those repetitive tasks and automate them. Put them on automation so that those tasks, they can be done with you turning on a switch. If you turn on this switch, all these tasks will be done no longer by a human being trying to get them done, but they will be done on their own. This is exactly what automation allows you to do. A lot of the tasks that we are doing manual, whether it's our staff or it's ourselves as owners, we can definitely automate those things.